Crypto will end you all. Michael Burry biggest warning yet. The big short investor Michael Burry inquired about ways to bet against Bitcoin just before the world's largest cryptocurrency hit a 6-month high to breach the $60,000 level. Today we're going to talk all about why crypto will end you all and what Michael Burry of The Big Short said when asked about shorting crypto days before Bitcoin hit $60,000. So watch the video till the end because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Michael Burry Secrets, your daily dose of Michael Burry. If you're interested in everything around Burry, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Michael Burry secrets, predictions, and stay one step ahead of the financial world. Watch the video till the end, and make sure to hit the like button if you want to be a millionaire within the next 3 years. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Now let's get to our topic. The big short investor Michael Burry inquired about ways to bet against Bitcoin just before the world's largest cryptocurrency hit a 6-month high to breach the $60,000 level. Okay, I haven't done this before. How do you short a cryptocurrency? Burry said in a Wednesday tweet. Do you have to secure a borrow? Is there a short rebate? Can the position be squeezed and called in? In such volatile situations, I tend to think it's best not to short, but I'm thinking out loud here. Bitcoin topped $60,000 on Friday, notching its highest level since April 17th. Investors and analysts are optimistic that U.S. regulators could give the green light to the first Bitcoin futures exchange-traded fund as soon as next week. Such a move would give mainstream investors exposure to the crypto market, which allows for even greater acceptance of digital assets on Wall Street. The famed investor has been a vocal critic of cryptocurrencies, taking issue with their wild volatility and speculative trading activities. He previously compared Bitcoin to the 2007 housing bubble, which he had bet against and profited from immensely. MSCI says there is $7.1 trillion in market cap tied to stocks of companies holding crypto. But MSCI also says only 79 people of 6,500 corporate board members have crypto expertise. This is, as they say, a feature, not a bug, he said in a now-deleted tweet Thursday. Over the past week, Burry also called meme token Shiba Inu pointless. Burry was one of the first investors to call and profit from the subprime mortgage crisis. He was depicted in Michael Lewis's book, The Big Short, and the subsequent Oscar-winning movie of the same name. Burry now manages about $340 million at Scion Asset Management. Burry said in an email exclusively to CNBC that he's not shorting cryptocurrencies, but that he does believe they're in a bubble. The investor routinely deletes and makes private his Twitter account under the handle @MichaelJBurry. Over the past week, he reactivated his account and made it public. In his recent tweet storm, he commented on a range of topics from taxing the rich to the Federal Reserve and former President Donald Trump. It appeared that Burry deleted his account again Friday. Burry calls Bitcoin a bubble. According to him, while the attention received by Bitcoin is not unwarranted, it probably would not last long. He even compared his current warning to the ones he had during the housing bubble. Most cryptocurrencies have a correlation to Bitcoin. Correlation within stock market trading refers to two assets moving up and down in value together. The presence of a strong correlation within the crypto market was visible in the crash of 2018. In 2018, Bitcoin's value decreased at an unprecedented level. This was followed by a similar fall in the prices of other cryptocurrencies. The vast majority of cryptocurrencies experienced an even bigger fall than Bitcoin itself. The supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million, of which 18.7 million are currently in circulation. This limited supply is an indicator of a deflationary currency. This means that as more and more Bitcoin keeps on getting mined, the value of each individual Bitcoin will rise over time. This rise in price encourages investors to hoard the cryptocurrency. With the currency not frequently changing hands, the actions of every investor can make drastic price differences. These, along with news headlines and speculation, are the reasons why critics of the cryptocurrency consider its growth a bubble. The meme stock buzz. Burry has called #memestock a trend. The term became a buzzword due to the actions of the subreddit r/WallStreetBets. The users of this subreddit led to the quantum leap in the stock prices of the US-based video game retailer GameStop. In December 2020, the company's stock price was as low as $18.84. In January 2021, the stock price rose by 1,700%. Other stocks that the subreddit promoted include cinema chain AMC Entertainment, the smartphone company BlackBerry, and telecom firm Nokia. Meme stock is a stock that sees a hike in value due to social media virality. Ironically, in spite of Burry's warnings against meme stocks, he might have been one of the reasons behind this hike. Burry invested in GameStop in 2019. In August 2019, Burry wrote to GameStop's directors, arguing that the low stock price and interest rate suggested dwindling faith in management. This declining faith was visible in the fact that GameStop's stock was trading at only $4 a share. In spite of his critique of the company's management, Burry's hedge fund, Scion Capital, held its stock of GameStop, and by September 2020, its 1.7 million shares in GameStop were worth $17 million. With Burry's firm holding the stock and a stream of YouTube videos by investor Keith Gill, known as Roaring Kitty on YouTube, Redditors might have been instigated to invest in the company. The company's shares were trading at low prices, which Burry believes was a uniquely perfect setup, and that there won't be another like it. What lies ahead? Burry's predictions may have a grain of truth to them. Prices of both Bitcoin and GameStop have seen volatility. However, the mother of all crashes that he foreshadows is yet to come to fruition. Ever since his tweet, Bitcoin has been garnering more and more interest, with El Salvador adopting it as legal tender. Burry's claim that Bitcoin is a bubble might not be true at all. Analysts studying Bitcoin patterns suggest that the cryptocurrency reaches an all-time high every 4 years, after which it experiences a fall. Post the fall, the price goes back to the highest value set in the previous 4-year rise. Many people in the crypto community believed that Burry shorted Bitcoin when the price of the cryptocurrency was $30,000, after he posted a BTC price chart suggesting that it would be a good time to short. Burry never confirmed or denied whether he shorted Bitcoin until now. The crypto community became even more convinced that Burry was shorting Bitcoin, or was considering doing so, when he tweeted Wednesday, "Okay, I haven't done this before. How do you short a cryptocurrency? Do you have to secure a borrow? Is there a short rebate? Can the position be squeezed and called in? In such volatile situations, I tend to think it's best not to short, but I'm thinking out loud here." When Burry tweeted asking about shorting cryptocurrencies Wednesday, the price of Bitcoin was around $58,000. It then shot up past $62,000. GameStop, which, as per Burry's predictions, was supposed to be another fad, has still been maintaining a relatively high value. As of June 2021, the company's stock is still up more than 1,000%. While there may be a fall as attention dies down, the company appears to be faring well at present. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Michael Burry Secrets. Bye!